The comic series The Extraordinary Adventures of Curiosity Cat and Data Dog is an original comic written by me, Curtis. You can see all the adventures by clicking the comic tab here. But we are in the story Life Afar. During this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn the comic into a mini booklet. There are two main ways to enjoy the comic: a video read aloud or print versions. Go here to start downloading the comic. If you want, use these arrows to preview the comic before downloading the file. The printables are in three formats: a single panel per page, a mini booklet, and all 9 panels on a single page. Printables also come in a black and white version. Click here to download the file and save it on your device. Each comic has 27 pages, but you only need to print 3 pages to make the booklet. Print pages 11 through 13 for a color mini book, or pages 25 through 27 for a black and white version. Next, print out the files you've selected. If your learners can cut, fold, and staple, they can make the booklets themselves. First, cut along the dotted line marked with scissors on each page. Once that is done, fold the pieces in half along the solid line marked Fold. Start with the last 2 pages and work your way forward. Once they are all folded, the cover page should be the top page. The page numbers on the right should read 2, 4, 6, and 8. The uncut edges should be on your right and the cut edges should be on your left. Put 2 staples on the left side of the booklet like this. And that's it! I hope you enjoy the adventures of Curiosity Cat and Data Dog. They are simply extraordinary.